Ever wondered why the world around you changes so drastically throughout the year? Why do flowers bloom in spring? Summer days feel so long, autumn leaves fall, and winter brings snow. Today, we're diving into the science behind one of nature's most beautiful mysteries. Why do seasons change? To understand why seasons change, we need to talk about a few important factors: the tilt of the Earth, its orbit around the sun, and how these two work together to create the seasons we know. Let's start with Earth's tilt. Our planet isn't standing perfectly upright as it moves through space. Instead, it's tilted at an angle of about 23.5 degrees. This tilt is the main reason why we experience different seasons. Because of this tilt, different parts of the Earth receive different amounts of sunlight throughout the year. Sometimes the northern hemisphere leans toward the sun, and sometimes it leans away. This is what causes our seasons. Next, let's talk about Earth's orbit. Earth travels around the sun in a path called an orbit, and this journey takes one full year, or about 365 days. Because Earth is tilted as it orbits the sun, different parts of the planet get different amounts of sunlight. When the northern hemisphere is tilted toward the sun, it's summer there. Meanwhile, the southern hemisphere, tilted away from the sun, experiences winter. As Earth continues along its orbit, the opposite happens 6 months later. Now, the southern hemisphere is tilted toward the sun, experiencing summer, while the northern hemisphere has winter. Let's break down each season and what's happening with Earth's position relative to the sun during each one. First, we have spring. During the spring equinox, around March 20th in the northern hemisphere, day and night are about equal. This is when the northern hemisphere starts to tilt toward the sun, bringing warmer days and new growth. Then comes summer, which officially begins around June 21st, known as the summer solstice. This is the longest day of the year, as the northern hemisphere is fully tilted toward the sun. Next is autumn or fall. Starting around September 22nd, the autumn equinox brings us back to equal daylight and nighttime hours. The northern hemisphere starts tilting away from the sun, causing temperatures to cool and leaves to change color. And finally, we reach winter, beginning around December 21st, the winter solstice. It's the shortest day of the year, as the northern hemisphere is tilted farthest away from the sun, temperatures drop, and winter takes over. So to recap, seasons change because Earth is tilted on its axis. As it orbits the sun, this tilt causes different parts of the planet to get more or less sunlight at different times of the year. That's why we experience the wonderful cycle of spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe if you enjoyed learning why the seasons change. See you in the next video.